UV inks are absolutely amazing. They apply and cure instantly via UV light, which boosts production speeds and enables immediate handling. They provide high-quality, durable prints with vivid colors, enhanced scratch resistance, and adhere well to diverse, non-porous substrates like glass, metal, and plastic. Additionally, they are environment-friendly, producing low VOC emissions, volatile organic compounds. And this goes for all UV ink operations, whether large format printing, DTF printing, or flatbed printing. However, we did notice something important during our development. Of the 3 machines, the UV DTF ink gave the best result by far. Why is that? Because this ink is specially formulated for stickers, so it is inherently more glossy, brighter in color, and more scratch resistant. So what was our logical next step? We reformulated all our UV inks to include the advantages of the UV DTF ink. And here it is, our brand new one-for-all UV ink. It boasts amazing quality and can be used for any UV ink machine, large format printer, flatbed printer, or UV DTF printer. And it is a lot cheaper. As in, a lot cheaper. So it's a winning formula all round. And it is available right now. Oh, and by the way, this new UV ink is so superior to the traditional UV inks that we will start phasing the older types of UV inks out over time. Visit uvinks.co.za for more information.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.